Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix Engineers. So in this video I'm going to show you how to modify strings. In Python, Python has a set of built-in methods that you can use on a string, that you can apply on a string for modifying string. So let's start. So those are what I was working on our last previous video. So let's declare a variable m equal, so with a string value, matrix engineers. So we need to print the value of variable m, print m. So now we display matrix engineers. We need to modify this matrix engineers string to return in capital letters only. This text have to be returned into capital letter. So we use a function or method called upper to return all text or string in upper cases or in capital letters only. Have it right. Print m dot our upper function. So we can run this program. You see, all characters are in capital letter because of this function. Matrix engineers all are in capital letter. So in a component we use upper method to return strings or characters in capital in upper case or capital letters. So to display matrix engineer string in small letters, we use lower. Can write print. We use the lower method or function print m dot lower. So you can see the output. Matrix engineers, all characters are in lower cases. Even matrix are in lower cases. For this is how we modify string for lower cases. So we can also use strip method to remove white spaces in a string. For example, let's put matrix engineers white spaces. In order to remove this, we can use strip. But let's comment this. For lower cases or small letters, we use lower. So for removing this space, we have to use print. So as you see, we are going to let it print before. You see there is matrix Let's remove this. It's matrix engineers. Let's declare another variable. Copy. Control. Let's call it v. So let's put here space. So you see matrix engineers. We didn't display the output of v variable. Print v. You see matrix engineers with white space there. Now we are going to remove that space. In order to remove that space, we have to write print. We have to add the function strip. Strip. You see, function is strip. We remove this white space. This. Let's run our program. You see, now it's a matrix engineers. There is no white space. Let's add CO in order to identify them. You see, matrix core. There is no this white space. So if we remove this function, we are going to get white space. If we remove this, you see, there is a white space. In order to remove it, you have to do this. You have to bring this. So you see there is no white space. So we can also replace string with another string. Let's replace CO with HD. We can write this print we are going to use replace method to replace this CO with HD. So what you're going to do is to write v dot replace v dot replace, have it use double quote CO comma, and have it write HD. We are going to replace this word in V to HD. You see? CAHD. We replace matrix engineer CO with matrix engineers HD. So we can also split the string where we can combine the separate items. For example, if we need to return the rest where the text between the specified operator become the rest item. So we will do it in our next video. Thank you.